In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Kroger card to Instacart. If you're using Instacart for your grocery needs and want to make sure you're getting all your Kroger rewards and discounts, adding your loyalty card to Instacart is a fantastic way to do that. It's quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Instacart app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure it's installed and up to date. Once you have the app open, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll notice a small icon that usually looks like a person or a generic profile avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Now that you're in your profile section, we're going to focus on the loyalty cards option. You should see a menu or some sort of list of options. In this list, find and select the option that says Add Loyalty Cards. This is where we'll be linking your Kroger card to ensure you receive all the benefits during shopping. Once you click on Add Loyalty Cards, you'll see a variety of participating stores and their corresponding loyalty programs. Scroll through this list to find Kroger. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct store card here, as there is a wide array of stores partnered with Instacart. After you found Kroger, it's time to take the step to either join or link your existing membership. Depending on whether you've already registered for a Kroger loyalty card or you're doing this part for the first time, you might see an option that says Join Now or sometimes Link Membership. Click on that option. You might be prompted to enter your Kroger card information. Typically, this will be a number found on either your physical card or perhaps a digital account if you've registered online. Carefully input your membership ID or number associated with your loyalty account. Be sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any issues with linking. Once you've inputted your information, save or submit the changes. Instacart will now link your Kroger card to your account. It's that simple. By following these steps, you've successfully added your Kroger card to Instacart, and you can now enjoy the convenience and savings that come with it. Remember, having your loyalty card connected ensures that any applicable discounts, rewards, or special offers from Kroger are automatically applied when you shop. This integration helps make your grocery shopping experience more rewarding, both in terms of convenience and savings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.